Hi, my name's James McLaughlan. I studied BSc Economics with a year in industry, and now I am working for full credit on their graduate scheme as a team leader for a set of underwriters. Studying at Swansea University, when I joined, it wasn't as high up the rankings as it is now. I've never been the most academic person in the world, and so going forwards, I was looking for a university where I could study what I wanted, so economics, but also have a good social life and a good social scene. So having the beach only across the road from the old campus and now on the new campus is great. And the social side with Wine Street. And also I'm a big rugby player, so I used to play rugby up at Dunvant, which is just up from the university. So economics is quite a varied degree. You can learn either the mathematical side, the theoretical side, but everything you do in economics is actually really helpful, whether it's from learning the stats and how to analyse it properly, to looking at finances or where the government's going elsewhere. However, there's little skills, and it's the interpersonal skills you might learn from current issues or doing group projects, working by yourself and producing a report, analysing data. They're the skills that you take forward with you. They're what you use in your everyday life. It'd be hard not to mention the lecturers. I think every single one of them was so helpful when you needed. You could email them, you could go and knock on their door. They're just brilliant, and I can't speak highly enough. I mean, course-wise as well, I think the variety of courses that the school offers, whether you want to do the mathematical side, whether you want to do the labour side, whether you want to do a more theoretical based or a more realistic based, there's such a wide variety, and that's one of the best things about the course, that you could do one or the other or a mix of the two. Third one's hard because I really enjoyed the course in general, but I think the flexibility with the year in industry, I wouldn't be where I am today if I hadn't done a year in industry, and the fact that the university offers that and actually tries and puts you forward for it, I can't speak highly enough of. I genuinely can't speak highly enough of the careers team in SOM. Doing a year in industry, the amount of interview prep, the CV workshops they gave me, and also, though I didn't use it, there's a list of jobs available for years in industry. What then becomes more prevalent is when you get into your final year, it's the interview practice, it's the assessment centre practice, it's them helping you out. And if you ever need anything career-wise, they're more than welcome to discuss it with you. They just want to help you out and actually get you to the best place possible and where you're going to be comfortable afterwards. You will have the best time. You'll meet so many great people. Where else are you going to be able to be in a lecture 1 minute and on the beach 30 seconds later? It's a great place, it's a great social place, it's great for learning. It's only going to go higher up in the league tables. Just apply, do it, why not?